Okay, I'm back out on another hunt. Same area as last time. It's still a 4-point season only, as long as there's 4 points on one antler for mule deer. Any buck is open for whitetails, but there's very few in here. So, I've seen lots of does and a little young buck on the way up, but haven't seen too much yet. Just started on the trail now. So it's about -10 degrees right now. So not too bad of a day. More clouds than blue skies, but not too bad. So just keep walking and see what I can come up with today. And I am hunting with Rod today, same guy as last time. He will be my special guest if I happen to see him. I dropped him off a couple kilometers down the road and I drove up with the truck, and now I'm walking towards him. He knows I'm walking towards him now. Well, I'm back at that spot where I saw those deer, those two little bucks and those does, but I don't see anything here today. You never know. Usually deers are creatures of habit, but I don't see them here today, right now anyway. So, also today, I forgot my hunting boots at our cabin. So I'm wearing my redhead loafers. Yeah, and also it's November the 22nd today. And last year at this time there was a foot or so of snow. So it's been a very low snow, high temperature winter so far. Well, it's not quite winter, not till December, but yeah, it's good for the animals, but it's a little bit weird this time of year. It's so dry with snow. So anyway, I should be meeting up with Rod pretty soon, and we'll go from there. Well, there's Rod. I don't see any blood on his hands. No, nothing. No. Oh well. So this is the spot. Last time we were here, there was deer all in here.
Okay.
And all in there. And one of them, doe, laid down right on the trail when I came back. So
yeah, it was pretty close to here. Just in that hill back there where 6 of them crossed the time before. I was up for hunting.
Yeah.
Crossed back up into there, but I didn't really see any.
Huh.
Tough to tell, but I didn't see any tracks.
Yeah, seems a little bit light
but
here. A little light here today. But
yeah, well, we've seen our share on the way up.
oh yeah, yeah, quite a few. So, oh well, that's the way it goes.
Mm-hmm.